GlucoTrust reviews. The GlucoTrust supplement helps keep your blood sugar level focused on one of the root causes of your high blood sugar. What is the GlucoTrust dietary supplement? GlucoTrust is a groundbreaking dietary supplement that supports your blood sugar and maintains it in optimal levels. It eliminates insomnia and lets you enjoy better quality of sleep. The dietary supplement can also support weight loss by preventing hunger cravings and decreasing your appetite. This dietary supplement is currently new in the market, but unlike any other supplements, it is formulated with special ingredients that supply the body with essential nutrients that maximizes the efficiency of results. GlucoTrust can provide multiple health benefits to the users. For individuals who are having a hard time balancing their glucose or blood sugar levels, people who can't let go of their favorite food, or for those who don't have the time to exercise daily, then GlucoTrust dietary supplement can be a great partner for your busy schedules. The formula it uses is powerful that it does not require its users to change their lifestyles. There is no need to follow a strict or balanced diet, and there are no other requirements asked of users to do or follow in order to experience the benefits promised by the GlucoTrust supplement. The GlucoTrust dietary supplement is made and manufactured in the USA, in a sterile, FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility. It uses the latest technologies in developing the supplement. It also took extensive researches to find the perfect doses of every ingredient to be added in its formulations. Users of GlucoTrust dietary supplement do not have anything to worry about as the product is completely safe and there are no side effects that come when taking it. It is safe for short-term or long-term intake. Users are free to take GlucoTrust however long they think is necessary. How does the formula of GlucoTrust work? The formula of GlucoTrust works by targeting the real cause of why the body keeps excessive blood sugar. It provides the body with the essential vitamins and minerals that decrease the glucose levels and maintain it in optimal levels. It also eliminates the fats that are accumulating in your